The DJI Avata 2 represents the brand's most accessible and immersive first-person view drone, designed to bring the excitement of first-person view flying to both newcomers and experienced pilots. Inspired by the thrill and perspective familiar to fans of first-person shooter games, the Avata 2 offers a smooth entry into first-person view without the steep learning curve traditionally associated with the category. At the heart of the experience is the upgraded O4 camera system paired with the latest first-person view goggles, delivering crisp 4K video with enhanced dynamic range. Footage looks impressive straight out of the camera, while support for D-Log-M gives creators added flexibility for color grading in post-production. The goggles are compact and comfortable, featuring dual micro-OLED displays with a high refresh rate that ensures vivid colors, sharp detail, and a highly responsive immersive view during flight. Flight control is tailored to all skill levels through 3 modes: normal, sport, and manual. Beginners can fly confidently in normal mode using the intuitive motion controller, supported by safety features such as obstacle avoidance, return to home, and an emergency brake. More advanced pilots can unlock higher speeds in sport mode, or switch to full manual mode with a traditional controller for aerobatics and advanced maneuvers. The redesigned airframe is lighter, quieter, and more aerodynamic, improving overall handling and efficiency. With up to 26 minutes of flight time, the Avata 2 allows longer sessions without frequent battery changes. While not intended for hardcore freestyle first-person view, it excels as a cinematic sinew hub, offering precise control in tight spaces and delivering high-quality immersive footage. Overall, the DJI Avata 2 strikes an excellent balance of thrills, safety, and performance, making it a standout choice for anyone exploring first-person view flying.